Hey guys, welcome back to another video guys. எல்லாத்துக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த வீடியோ பார்க்கிறதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. Welcome back to another video. Everybody is watching TV. Today Thanksgiving. If you guys celebrating Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving everybody. This video I cooked food for Thanksgiving. So I wanted to show you guys what I have.
I'm recording here in the back.
And I have a biryani there too. It's getting ready.
Kayal, she's been sick actually. She is getting better now. Look at her. Here, I'm taking you guys to the kitchen. Look what Appa made for Thanksgiving.
Woohoo!
This looks so amazing. Look
Hyderabadi chicken biryani. Today is a special chicken biryani. You guys can see this is dum biryani.
This looks so different compared to the other one.
Yeah, this is Hyderabadi chicken biryani, guys. I want to show you guys what I cooked. Actually, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. We're celebrating today, and happy Thanksgiving for everyone. என்னென்ன ஃபுட் பண்ணிருக்கேன்னு காட்டுறேன் பாருங்க. இது வந்து honey glazed ham, and I have a chicken biryani here. Look at this, guys. I have a pasta alfredo. I have a pumpkin pie, mashed potato, and some chicken samosa and veggie roll.
That looks really good.
It's a huge cookie.
That's a really huge one. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there.
And this one, bread roll, and some goat's curry.
That looks really good.
That's my wife made it. Yeah, that's all we have. And we're going to enjoy. And if you guys enjoying up there, happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's cookie, Kaya. You have excited? Stand up here.
Sit down.
Yeah. Look, Lulu. Lulu's ready. Lulu ready for bone. Hi guys.
So, quick question. Why you didn't cook turkey? Because, tomorrow...
Oh yeah, turkey is the big thing. Every time, one koli, turkey na one koli. நான் வந்து one koli biryani பண்ணலாம்னு நினைச்சேன். I was thinking to do turkey biryani. But my kids, they want chicken biryani instead of turkey biryani.
I don't like turkey biryani because it's spicy and...
Yeah, he doesn't like turkey, guys. Nobody likes turkey.
I don't like turkey too.
My wife is gonna taste the food and we're gonna let you guys know. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving, guys. So here I'm frying veggie spring rolls and samosas. I already fried some. I'm just frying more for backup. You guys can see this is a pasta sauce. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. Before that, I'm gonna marinate the chickens for chicken biryani. Let me add some Parmesan cheese right now. This is a dry Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna mix it well for Alfredo pasta sauce. It's getting ready. I just have to mix it very well. So yeah, I'm mixing it, adding some mozzarella and mixed cheese. So it gives some extra flavor. I'm just gonna mix it well. So it's gonna give some extra flavor. I'm adding some pesto. It's called basil pesto. I'm adding that one to finish the pasta off. Let me add some chicken for chicken biryani. I'm just gonna mix it well with the yogurt and all the ingredients I'm gonna add for biryani. This is Hyderabadi dum biryani. So I have to marinate before cook chicken biryani. I'm just gonna mix it up. My hand is already marinated well. Couple hours. It's ready to go in the stove. This is a bread roll, cookie. Pasta is ready. Already mix it up. Mashed potatoes, and this is the samosa veggie spring roll I fried. This is a goat curry, honey glazed ham. Everything is ready to go.
guys, did you see this? Hi guys, happy Thanksgiving everyone. Look what I have right here.
I'm getting some chicken biryani rice and spring roll, guys.
Right, so you guys can see we didn't cook turkey, and I know that it's a Thanksgiving. Most of the kids in the house, including myself, we don't really like turkeys. That's the reason why Appa ended up cooking biryani and other different kind of food. So yeah,
so my original plan was cooking turkey biryani, since they don't like turkey biryani. So I had to cook chicken biryani, but how do you like chicken biryani? Let them know,
it's
baby.
so delicious. It's not spicy at all. Like, everybody can eat it. That's the good thing about it. And I can see the difference between this biryani and the other biryani that I usually cook.
Yeah, I usually cook Tamil Nadu style, like ambur style, or bai with biryani. You can put all the rice and everything together. But this one, it's more Hyderabadi style. It's called Hyderabadi dum biryani. So we usually drink Thanksgiving and Christmas eggnog from regular eggnog. Eggnog is, I think, egg yolk in milk. So they have almond milk eggnog or almond milk nog,
which is really good.
Which is really good. It's kind of it's a vegan, and Prince wants some.
Prince is in love.
Oh, it's for me. It's good, but it's I don't like it.
I mean, maybe because it's almond, and it
has some spices too.
Only 11 grams of sugar, which is really good, Yeah, I mean, it's really healthy, I guess.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So this was our Thanksgiving. I'm working tonight, but Ram was able to cook.
I want to cook before she goes to work, so that's the whole point.
Thank you for cooking for us. This is amazing. Really appreciate everything. The kids are enjoying right now. They're all eating and enjoy the Thanksgiving. Mainly, I just wanted to say this Thanksgiving is to thank each and everyone who have been watching our video. Subscribe to our channel, and if you are new here, we're Ramen Pie. Love to share our lifestyle with you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and support our YouTube channel. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Ellarum இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப 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 நன்றி. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.